travelers, influencers back again, and today we've got a big men's conference at the church that I go to, and my good friend Chef Garnet from Cook and Inspire, he will be doing the cooking. So let me go down there and see what's going on, yeah? So follow me. Where you there? Oh, what go on Cook and Inspire?
Yeah, man, I said things like, man, we're there in the kitchen again, you know?
Yeah, big up, chef.
Yeah, man, we cook with travelers, influencers.
Yes, man.
Come visit.
Yeah.
There's a kitchen, we're in the kitchen, bro.
Big up, chef. Big up, man.
Yeah, brother, there's some cooking for our church brothers, you know?
Okay.
Empowerment day for the brothers, you know?
Wonderful.
We're trying to get them to live healthy.
Yes.
You know, motivate them, you know?
Yes.
Financially, spiritually.
Yes.
You know, physically, mentally.
Yes.
Every way, brother.
God, way up here now.
Bro, I'm telling you, man, because it's a healthy day.
Yes.
And motivating the men.
Yes.
You know, there as I was saying, says, you know, you are what you eat.
Yes, it's true.
But I want to change all of that today by showing the men. That's why I'm making this video as well.
Yes.
For myself, for my YouTube channel.
You can see there, camera setup and everything.
So we're not doing rice today. We have a thing called bulgur.
Bulgur wheat.
Yeah, bulgur
This is
wheat.
it.
Most people say it's bulgur rice, but it's not bulgur. There's no rice in that.
Yes. It's bulgur wheat.
Something else, where you go get bulgur rice? There's no rice. It's bulgur wheat.
Amen.
Yeah, so I'm going to do it. I'm substituting the bulgur for rice.
Yes.
But I'm doing the rice and peas style.
Okay, Caribbean style.
Yeah,
okay.
So you can see the peas and everything cooking up there.
Yes.
So I'm going to put it in there just in time to get me to put it in. Right? Yes, guys. So this is it. Now it's time for the bulgur to go in.
It's filming now on
peas
this
and
camera.
everything to combine. I'm telling you guys, this smells so amazing. Just by the liquid alone. So, to be honest with you, I never really cook such a big portion.
Yes.
So, I'm assuming this water is enough. I might have to add a bit more water to contribute to the cooking process. Okay? It's a lot of rice. This is 6 kilos of bulgur wheat. Yeah? And I don't know how high it's going to be when it's finished cooked. Because I know it swell a lot. Yeah? So, in goes. Look at that. And that looks like a lot. That looks like a lot. Yeah, man, you see the thing, look? Coming. Yeah, man, coming together really good.
Yeah, chef, that's looking good, man.
Another surprise today, big time. Yeah, man, because they don't say chicken. That will be amazing. Yeah, man, I know what you say now. We have our operation in the travelers in advance. Man, I feel like I escape my camera right now. Because now I'm not your camera.
Yeah, big up, chef. Yeah, man, big up.
Big up Jennifer, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yeah,
man. Big up. With Chef Garnet. Well, guys, if you never know, Chef was actually our men's leader in the church. So,
definitely.
You know what I mean? Just come and check and see what I go on. Generally, you know, it better be going good or a problem.
Make sure everything's set up, you know?
Which is right. Respect, Chef. Yeah, man. Blessings. Evident. Dwayne, hello.
Yes. With that elbow.
Yes. Oh, Dwayne, you have to help me out with my camera to you know, 'cause I know you know the little tricks and the little bits and pieces.
I'm willing to help you.
Respect. Big up, Dwayne.
That's the only one doing. That's the only one doing. Judgment.
Leg. Hey, you don't say bird no fly on one wing though, yeah? One more leg there.
Go and come back to us.
No, but we don't want none of that, you know. So another, don't put this. This is on camera, you know. Don't disgrace the chef. What one doing?
Yes, my brother. You feed your greens.
Dwayne, that needs some fertilizer, you know. Wonderful. Thank you, D. Chef, just behind you. Blessing, Brother Roy.
Jesse Jackson, because obviously
you? You enjoying your food? Hey, are you a belly between your wrong brother?
Yeah, my belly was wrong.
Garnet, man, I tell you.
Chef Garnet, yes.
Oh, everybody has to Chef Garnet and nobody now has to travel as influencers. Man, me pick up on that, you know, and see as bad mind, you know. Watch it, you know. Holy Spirit is moving.
We ain't on the blood, he's still in
What are you saying?
Dr. Dunbar.
Well, I have to big you up, you know, because I walk past certain man, you know, and I'm going to let them see me. But big up, you see me?
Dr. 3D, Dr. Dunbar.
Turn up today. I'm set. You know that time you eat something, yeah, and the food is still in your mouth. I'm about to go home, go to my bed, and in the morning, I know I'm still gonna taste this food in my mouth. This is serious. Subscribe to the YouTube channel real quick. Don't drop off. There you go.
You hear that? And family, listen. I got a channel named Travelers Influencers, you know, and you look like you're good at promoting.
Yeah,
Say something for me so we can get a million subscribers.
Guys, if you wanna travel, yeah, be ready. Be ready. Do not go anywhere without going to this man right here.
Travelers Influencers.
Travel influencers.
Yeah.
He will tell you the best places to go. Subscribe and like and share. Got you.
Amazing. Thank you, sir.
Boy, the green juice and the smoothie thing I set up for them guys, you know, so
Wonderful. Woo!
show them guys some healthy thing.
Boy, you're doing a good job here, chef. You're doing a good job here, man. Wonderful.
Don't even bother touching nothing over here, so you hear me?
Man, I work, man. Man, I work.
It's my bit to do a simple demonstration to our men in our church, you know, to tell them about healthy living, healthy lifestyle. Because some of us, we don't really eat healthy, we don't drink healthy, fizzy drink. I'm a bit guilty too, so even though I'm demonstrating, you know, I get a bit spoiled at that. But yeah, man, over here I got some celery, some cucumber, and we got green apple, lemon, ginger, carrot, beetroot. My nephew looking at it, you know, and says, I can't drink that, I can't eat that, you know, but I'm telling you, if you actually taste it when it's juice, it's so delicious and it's so nutritious. It's full of, these ingredients are full of so much nutrition, vitamins, it's good for your immune system, skin, you know, you name it, everything is right here on this table, yeah? So if you want to get healthy, you know, start with your juices, start with your fruit smoothie, you know, and I'm telling you, if you do that, if you do this for over a week, then you will see you start to feel the result within your body. You feel different, you feel stronger, you feel your whole body changes, you know, that's what it does. So first of all, I'm gonna go around, I'm gonna do some celery and some cucumber with a bit of ginger, you know, with some lemon. I'm gonna do about 2 different drinks and you can taste them, you know, so if you guys come in a big cup, you don't get much. We have a small cup, you can taste, yeah? So over here though, I think I'll leave my knife inside. I need my knife. Just give me one. I don't tend to put my fruits all in the juicer because you know what it is. So cucumber, celery, and I'm going to use some ginger. I just kind of make it a bit smaller. This thing will work. Right, so we're going hard veg, soft veg. So cucumber first, right? It's very simple. Look at that. That's just quarter of a cucumber and more juice get in there. And if you're suffering high blood pressure, guys, cucumber is actually good for you. Lower blood pressure.
Yeah, I actually suffer from that.
Likewise, celery.
Celery is good for the high blood pressure too.
Yes.
Yeah? Okay.
And ginger. Good for your immune system. Antioxidant. Good for the tummy as well.
Full fertilizer style, you know? One time.
What's that don't taste? I'm not sitting down.
Different person. Hello, can I have some more, please?
And for those who have drink already, you can probably feel a difference. You know, my friend over there says,
Big up your chest, big up your chest. Chef, what's in this one here, sir?
so we got blueberry, strawberry, banana, and spinach with coconut water. That's it.
Okay, wonderful.
That's it.
Thank you.
You can use natural water.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, thank you.